How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Hbar update, and I hate making these updates. Unfortunately, we've seen this falling wedge fail to actually continue because it did actually break out. It's not reclaiming those key levels that I've constantly been mentioning, which are 25 to 27 cents. That is where we've actually seen this bearish cross form. And that bearish cross formed while we were still in this bullish pattern. So you'd hope that that was actually a lagged signal and more calling the bottom than the start of a new bearish trend. So what we want, if we want to invalidate that, what we want to see is a breakout of the resistance and followed by a move up into those moving averages to take them out. Now on the break of 25 to 27 cent, this would initiate a move back up to the target, and the target was 33 to 36 cents. So a nice move. A short-term trade could have been placed for that. And we've actually seen this falling wedge the past 2 weeks form when we first called it. And this was actually seen across the market, including Bitcoin. But the same as Bitcoin, Hbar has just consolidated after the breakout. Some got ahead like XRP with this small move up over here. And that was probably the best performing one out of this falling wedge. The rest of the market has been very weak, and many coins are printing these bearish crosses on the daily time frame. So the risk is that it will continue bleeding to fill in this wick, which has been my worries. And every day that passes, even though we had this bullish pattern, it's kind of solidifying what I've been saying, the warnings that I've been bringing, the fears, which is on the loss of 27 and 25 cent, we should actually bleed down into the 200 EMA. Now holding above the 200 EMA should actually reset the uptrend and look for continuation. So new higher highs should come from that. But if we're getting this bullish pattern after actually retesting it already and we're failing to break out the bullish pattern, we just keep getting suppressed and pushed down into this key level of support. At any moment, if this chart bounces, we know the level it must reclaim, 25 to 27 cent. We're not getting anywhere until that happens. So I'm going to now, even if we move back up, I'm going to be very careful and wary. This is resistance, as I've been saying the last few weeks anyways, and any move up could just be false to roll over and continue bleeding into this 200 EMA. This is what I've constantly warned, regardless of the titles of the videos, maybe saying pump or bounce now. That's calling for this small bounce into the next level of resistance, and then of course if it can reclaim that, then it starts a new journey to the next. But yes, today we of course have seen, as the weekend has developed, Hbar starting to bleed down, and it really needs to reclaim 22 cent. This moving average here, 22 cent, to start a move back up to 25, 27. But ultimately, newly formed bearish cross, a bullish pattern failing to break out, Bitcoin actually not breaking out. Bitcoin still got the chance to bounce over here, but it's also about to form a bearish cross. That would be a bearish signal with this double top, giving more validity towards it, starting a move back down into this area. So if Bitcoin starts actually bouncing, reclaiming the EMAs, then Hbar will also start its move back up to 26, 25, 26, 27. On the break of 25 to 27, we'll start a move up to 33 and 36. And that is my ultimate resistance. While trading underneath this, there's so much likelihood that we actually continue lower and lower and lower, maybe even lose this 200 EMA. I don't want it to develop into that. But yeah, we could even lose this as support and validate this macro double top over here. I don't want that to be the case, but I did actually warn of this a few weeks back, since Hbar has actually completed this Fibonacci pattern. It's come into the first set of targets, the most important ones right over here. And I've just been using them as the levels that need reclaiming. They have become our top. So if we want to see bullish continuation, we need to see price reclaim 25, 27. And then 33 and 36. Only then do we start that move up to what I've been talking about, $1.50. But please understand, right now we're not going to $1.50. Right now we're looking to bleed down lower until there's a structure change. And we only see that structure change where we expect more bullish movement when price is above 27 cent. Guys, a move up from here into 25, 27 cent is not good. It's just a relief rally to continue lower. Only if we get up there and then you see it reclaimed, do you then flip stance. Until then, the bias has to be lower. Even with the bullish pattern, we've seen it bleed down. We've got the rest of this week to sort it all out. So I will be here to update it as it develops. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you want to identify this on your own, do this all on your own so you don't have to keep up to date with these videos. Check out the Discord, check out the mentorship or my ebook. The links are in the description. Cheers.